Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well today. Are we steering towards the end of a beautiful uptrend for Luna Classic? As they say, the trend is your friend. And looking at the Google Trend data here, we can see the search volume across the United Kingdom. I haven't actually checked worldwide just yet, but we will look together. Well, we can surely see that it is dropping. So the interest, the appeal could now be dropping for Terra Luna Classic. Was it all a pump and dump scheme all along? Of course, in May we had a surge of volume because of the horrible event that occurred, the big crash itself. Then we went down to a bit of a lull. Then as soon as Binance started integrating the 1.2% burning mechanics, boom, it went up again. And now we're starting to see a little bit of a lull here. So just done some crypto research. One of the real legends in the crypto space, Oscar Ramos, really cool guy. You can see he's just said, breaking news, Binance has burned 2.5 billion Luna Classic for the third Luna Classic burn period. So that's really, really cool. We are now over 22 billion Terra Luna Classic burned, which is 0.3% of the total supply. So this is really, really good to see. I think, we could even see 1% of the total supply burn, maybe even before 2023. So what's going on with the Luna Classic price action? We can see we're up 0.5% today, hovering around that $1.62 billion market capital level, still rank 33. So things are just moving rather slowly, aren't they? We're really seeing this consolidation chopping around these price levels. Of course, looking at the last 3 months, if you got in around here in August, July, June, you would have made some crazy gains. We're talking about a 15x in a bear market, and ever since it has just been constant lower highs, as well as a few sort of, lower lows, I suppose, on the shorter time frame. So it does look rather bearish in my opinion, but it doesn't mean we can't still wipe off another zero by the next crypto bull run, though I do think there is more downside potential at the current time. So Binance volume, we're still seeing the Binance trading pairs and the exchange, of course, have most of the market share in terms of total volume, 33%, and a respectable 13%. So that's about 47% of the total Luna Classic volume occurs just in Binance alone, which is great to see. And of course, looking at this data here, 0.32% is the live count now. That's how much Luna Classic tokens we've seen burnt, 22.1 billion tokens. And by the way, guys, you should check out Oscar Ramos, his YouTube channel. He doesn't just do Twitter, he's got some great content around Luna Classic. So if you like his stuff, if you like Luna Classic, he's another good guy that you can go check out. Follow his very, very sound and factual information. So what's happening with Luna Classic? Well, we're in a very, very clear downtrend. We keep getting rejected at these key resistance areas. We did have a bit of a fake out. We came above the resistance trend line here. Of course, we got that little drop, so we got a bit of a fake out. We came through the resistance and broke back down below. And now we're trying to break back through it at the 0.000265 resistance trend line. We had this symmetrical triangle, which we did lose. We went short. We did actually post this one in the leverage trading signals here. So people who went short on that would be in profit. If you're also new to the channel, get into my Discord down below. There's over 1,000 members. We've got the VIP members as well who are taking advantage of the next crypto pre-sales. For example, Tamadoge and Battle Infinity, they did a 7.5x and a 19x. Well, Tamadoge did the 19x, and we're also looking at the IMPT token pre-sale at the moment. So really, really cool stuff, guys. Make sure you do please check it out. So yeah, what could happen here for Luna Classic? I think it's possible that we do unfortunately get rejected here, and we could still see a 0.000241. Of course, today is a very bullish day because we've recently had more burning from Binance. So Binance is doing us a great favor. Now, I haven't really looked at the timing, but I do want to start identifying the dates where Binance are burning majority of tokens, so we can actually see if there is a pump associated with the particular day that it does happen. Really, I do see Luna Classic sort of trading between the 2.4 and the 3.16 level for the rest of 2022. But of course, things change very, very quick with cryptocurrency. And looking at the 20-day moving average, we're still below it. So we are in effectively a downtrend. And we're putting that first green candle in of 4 days of a bloodbath. So that means the weekly might be starting to look a bit good. Yeah, we're getting a green candle here after the second consecutive weekly candles. Usually we actually just print 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 red candles in a row before getting a green. So this could be effectively maybe the bottom if we are lucky. Bollinger Bands, we're sitting right towards the bottom as well. As for volume, are we getting enough? We're on a decline of the volume, so there could be a bit of a problem. We're not getting enough volume. Maybe the whales have already taken their profits and, they're not really trying to catalyze much more price action at the moment. Of course, we could see Coinbase launch on, we could see Luna Classic launch on Coinbase, but I think that's very, very, very unlikely, of course, at the moment. So we've had two patterns. We had a bullish reversal out of this falling wedge. We got rejected at 316, now we're in this descending channel, or even another kind of falling wedge pattern, where I do think we could retest the 242 before taking another reversal to the upside. Let's see what happens anyway, guys. I mean, Terra Luna Classic is looking very, very good still. If you bought in around June, you'd still be up at a tremendous 547%. And looking at the Fibonacci retracement, you can see we just jumped off that 0.786, and we're now trading below the 0.618 golden pocket fib. If you're looking for alternative tokens to Luna Classic, there's the IMPT pre-sale, which is currently in its first phase, $0.018 per IMPT token. I do hold this. I'm going to show you how much I hold. I've got $2,000 worth, so fully transparent, nothing to hide here, hands up in the air. By investing in this token, you are potentially exposing yourself to the next 10 to 100x crypto in the bear market. And of course, we're talking about all these pre-sales in my Discord channel, so get yourself in there, and becoming a part of a large ecosystem that connects socially responsible brands with businesses and individuals who want to reduce their carbon footprint. So by investing in the IMPT token, you are participating in basically a crypto that is trying to resolve a climate crisis, help global warming, and save future generations. So really, really excited to see what's going to happen for this one when it launches next year. Of course, naturally, I will take profits in tranches at any point above 5x, and I do believe this will achieve beyond a 5x. Anyways, that's a wrap of this video. Thanks for checking in, guys. I hope you're all doing well. Slap that subscribe button, comment, like. Do you think Luna Classic or IMPT has more potential within the next 12 months? I'd love to know your thoughts and insights. Stay crypto safe. Bye.